yabwatire Esei Egati yemiswada Koba Richiko Egati abo umuswada uri kumurekera hekemeri yechae ase omwaka o 2023 asebona kira chiko bakonya abalimi enchere mu buseyende kwegandaria OMOROBERIO NIGO ENENEKIGWA ase NYOMBA nayobora ya status aiga somo chu Nairobi.
Your Excellency, the second bill is a coffee bill, which was originally a bill that started in the year 2023. The first one being the Miscellaneous Fees and Levies Amendment Act, which is a bill which was introduced in the National Assembly following cabinet approval. The bill was introduced by the leader of the majority party, who is a member for Kikuyu constituency, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah.
I have the honor to present the Meteorology Bill 2023, a bill sponsored by the Senate Majority Leader, Senator Aaron Cheriot, Senator for Kericho County, navigated through the House by the Committee on Land, Natural Environment and Natural Resources. The bill having been passed by both houses, the same form, is referred to Your Excellency for by the Speaker of the House, which the bill originated, being the Senate.